Welcome everyone to my channel. Today it's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to talk about a very important concept. Specifically, it's tree traversals, and this is a very important concept that you guys need to understand. This is the foundations for things like depth first search and breadth first search. You need to understand how tree traversals work, and you need to know them as if you know the back of your hand. This is extremely crucial if you want to be able to solve the harder tree problems like serialize and deserialize binary tree. So let's get started. First, we have preorder traversal. This is when the root comes first and then left and then right. And second, we've got inorder traversal where left comes first and then root and then right. And then finally, we've got the postorder where we have left, right, and root at the final. This is basically the 3 tree traversals that you need to understand. And 2 tips here. So one is the root is always going to be your point of view. Pre means before, so that means root comes before left and right. In order, in means the root is in between left and right. And for post order, post means after, so the root comes after left and right. So that's the way to think about this. And always know that left is going to come before right. This is always the case. Let's take a look at this very super simple small tree. The pre-order for this tree is going to be 5, 3, 8. The in order is going to be 3, 5, 8. And the post order is going to be 3, 8, 5. We are going to try to now understand how the orders are going to look for a bigger tree like this. And what I like to do is to draw a line here at the very bottom. And with this line, we are going to draw dotted lines to indicate our pre-order. And in this case, that is going to be 5, 3, 1, 8, 2, 6. This is the code that we have for pre-order. It's super simple recursion. Try to run this code if you are not familiar with it. This is in order, and for in order, we're going to do the same dotted line approach, but in this case, left is going to come first, and then comes the root, and then comes right. And in this case, we've got 1, 3, 5, 2, 8, 6. And the code for this looks very similar to pre-order, but the printing of the root value comes in between recursive function calls. And finally, we've got post order. Here, the root comes at the very last. In this example, it's going to be 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 5. And the code, again, is very similar as the previous codes for the other 2 traversals, except you're just going to print the root's value at the very end. And that's really all, you guys. This is really all you need to know to build that basic foundation to be able to solve the more challenging LeetCode problems in your interview preparation. If you like this simple, small video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I really, really thank you guys for your support.